Hey everybody, we're finally getting our PLCs up and going. So I wanted to do a quick video just to walk you through on what to look for. So you'll receive an email that looks very similar, if not identical to this. And it will have your link to your PLC here, and it'll also have it here. And then down below that, it'll have a link to this tutorial which I'll send out ahead of time, but it'll be there for you to rewatch. So you'll click on your link to log into your PLC. It'll have enroll. This link is the link you will always use for the rest of the PLCs. Okay, so you click enroll. Uh, if you try to click sign on this, I'm going to try to do that, but it won't let me do that because that's not my account. So I'll go here, sign in with Google. I'm using an account I created just so I could do this video, enroll in course. And then I'm enrolled in a course. I'll go to the course. So just like the rest of them, just like what we've been doing for all of our other Canvas courses, this is the same format. It's the same way of getting on. It's just a different link. So what I would do is I would bookmark this course up here to wherever you want to on your bookmark folder, whatever, somehow save it, okay? That way you'll have it to go back to. But I will email the link. I'll try to do it every month. I don't know if I'll be able to or not, and remember. But so the announcements are here. Once you email in, you can see the announcements. They went out this morning. You may not have received them. You can go back to the home screen. See if I can get back to the home screen. For some reason, it's not letting me go back to the home screen. Well, I'll go to my modules. Well, let me just hit the back button. Because I'm recording, it's trying to do it's giving me a hiccup. So you can go to modules here, or you can go to the modules here to get to your modules. You'll go to your modules, and then you'll see October is open. Okay, so you open the discussion. The PLCs will open at the first of the month. They'll be open until the end of the month. So you have that long to reply in it, and so to read it. So here is the video you watch, and then below that you have the prompt or the question. How could you adapt to it? This is the question. So after you do that, then you can put the comment here, or you can hit reply. I would rather hit reply. You can type in your reply. It needs to be a pretty decent reply, okay? A good post. Let's make these useful, okay? Not what I'm typing. I'm just doing this for y'all to see. So I hit this is my reply. Uh, and then after I do that, if somebody had already replied, I would be able to see everybody else's comments here. Now, once I see their comments there or here, then I can go down here and I can add to that, where I can say, um, I like what you said because you brought this out or whatever. You got to do that to at least two of your fellow teachers. After you do that for the month, you're good. Then we'll grade it, and it's basically if we feel like you did a good reply or not, and you'll be done for that month. Remember, you've got to do 4 out of 6. We'll have 6 of them. So everybody be professional and do a good job. Thank you so very much.